Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how to add payment method in Qikink. So friends, if you want to add the payment method, go to this first website here. You will see this page. This is official page. Click on the setting option. From the setting option, you have different option here. You have bank details. Click on bank details here. Just you can add your bank details from here. You can add your account number, re-enter your account numbers, write your bank IF Swift code here, write your email and ID, and then click verify. So I'll just update your information here. So in this case, this is how you can do. Just write your bank details from here and then set up your click verify in this option. After that, you will receive your OTP code in your email to complete your process. This is how you can do, friends. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more